Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fahmi and my number matric is DG12205 and I'm from course Radiology and Imaging.
And my name is Muhammad Rafiq Makrani. My matrix number is DD22209 and I am from Diagnostic 2B.
Welcome to our lesson on solving matrices. Today we will be exploring one of the fundamental concepts in linear algebra, which is a branch of mathematics that deals with mathematical object known as matrices. Matrix is a rectangular array of a number, symbols or expression arranged in rows and columns. So for this video, we will show you guys how to solve a matrix problem, which is we will solve three problems. Number 1, number 2 and number 3.
In the problem 1, we will teach you all how to solve the question from the example given. And then in the problem 2, we will know how to solve the problem that is given in the assignment. And then in the problem 3, we will show you how to solve the problem that we created in real life situation using the inversion method.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadilah Hafni binti Masam. Today I will present to you about my topic matrices. In problem 1, we will multiply A and B. Kita boleh darabkan A dengan B ni because the number of column in A is 4 and the number of row in B is 4. So we will use the formula row darab dengan column untuk mendapatkan jawapan. Jawapan yang kita dapat, sepatutnya kita akan dapat 3 times 3 matrix. Jadi kita akan darabkan 30 darab dengan 62 tambah 24 darab dengan 66 tambah negatif 4 darab 46 tambah 2 darab dengan 18. Lepas sudah habis tu, kita akan darab dengan kolom yang kedua pula. Row darab kolom yang kedua. Lepas tu row pertama darab dengan kolom ketiga. Lepas tu dah settle, kita akan berpindah kepada row yang kedua darab kolom pertama, row kedua darab kolom kedua dan row yang kedua darab dengan kolom ketiga. Lepas tu kita akan darabkan row yang ketiga darab kolom pertama, row ketiga darab kolom kedua dan row ketiga darab dengan kolom ketiga. Jadi kita akan dapat jawapan. Untuk B, kita akan pakai formula yang sama. B darab A ni row darab kolom. So kita akan dapat 4 times 4 matrix. Ingat yang A darab B tak akan sama dengan B darab dengan A. Jadi jawapan dia kita akan dapat jawapan yang berbeza. In 1C, 2A transpose minus 3B. We need to transpose the A by change row to column or we can change column to row. And jawapan yang kita darabkan jawapan yang kita dapat pada A kita akan darab dengan 2. Yang B pula kita akan darab dengan 3. Lastly, we will calculate A minus 2 and kita akan dapat jawapan yang ni, negatif 126, 206, negatif 160. Kita akan dapat 4 times 3 matrix. For the last question, B kuasa 2 atau lebih mudah B darab B. We cannot find the answer because the number of column dekat B yang pertama tak sama dengan the number of row B yang kedua. So that's why kita tak boleh darabkan kedua-dua matrix tersebut. That's all from me. Thank you very much.
So, as you can see, we are here at the problem number 2. The problem is we have to find the charges for hiring a car from 3 different companies is based on the number of days for which a car is hired and or the number of the kilometers for which the car is driven.
Samsul needs to hire a car for 4 days to drive for 560 kilometers. Company Ali Car Rental charge 60 ringgit Malaysia per day, while company Buster Car Service charge 48 cents on per kilometer driven, and company Cam and Leon Rental Service charges 30 ringgit Malaysia per day and 25 cents on per kilometer driven.
So let's go we see to the question. For the first question is, we need to write down two matrices only such that the elements of their product under matrix multiplication give the charge of hiring a car from three different companies. Then we need to find this product, which is hence the company that Samsul should hire the car from in order to save his cost. So now let's go we see how to solving a question A. For the first way, we need to write down the information from the stimulus. As we can see, I have write down the information from the stimulus, which is the company one is Ali Car Rental, RM 66 per day. Then company 2 Buster Car Services, RM 0.48 per kilometer. And then company 3 Cam and Leon Rental Services, RM 30 per day and RM 0.25 per kilometer. For the second way, we need to identify the question. As we can see, I had highlight the key point from the question is which is two matrices only. We need to use matrix multiplication, and we need to see from the three different companies. And for the last step, we need to fill in the information into a bracket of matrices. As we can see, I had fill in all the information into the matrix bracket, and then I use multiplication method to get the answer. And from that, I get Ali Car Rental cost is 264 ringgit Malaysia, Buster Car Services 268 and 80 ringgit Malaysia, and lastly is Cam and Leon Rental Services RM 260 ringgit Malaysia.
Solving question B. From the question, we know that Cam and Leon Rental Service is the cheapest car workshop, better than Ali Car Rental and Buster Car Services. So the company that Samsul should hire the car from in order to save his cost is Cam and Leon Rental Service.
So that is the way how to solve the problem number 2.
We will proceed to the question number 3. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ain Fakihah binti Hanisan. Today I will present about problem 3. This slide about Sir Samsul has Tabak Cafe. The total sale is 3,104 ringgit in 3 days. This cafe have 3 different menu, which is coffee latte, espresso drink, and smoothie drinks. This slide about the total cup drink in 3 days in Starbucks Cafe. We can see first day, coffee latte he get 44 cups, espresso 26 cup, smoothie drink is 58 cup, and second day, coffee latte he get 40 cup, espresso he get 32 cups, and smoothie drink he get 26 cups. Also third day he get coffee latte is 68 cup, coffee latte espresso he get 46 cup, and smoothie drink he get 52 cups. Total is this one for first day, 2 days, and 3 days. This slide about how to find x, y, and z by using inverse method. First step is change in the matrix A, which means AX equal B. Put the total cup in this matrix and use 3 times 3. Second step,
is find the determinant. Taking first row and first column is 44 and it will be plus minus plus, and then close the first row and first column and we will get this matrix. Third step is how to find determinant, which means MCA is minor, cofactor and adjoint. Minor is same step like two step, which means close row and column and we'll get this matrix. After that, use AD minus BC to calculate this matrix like this. After get the answer, use cofactor. Cofactor means plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus, like that. This slide about adjoint transpose, which means row to column. After the transform, times the total RM first day, second day and third day. After the calculate this value, we'll get this matrix and which is 1 over minus 708 times this matrix and we'll get 6, 8 and 10, which means S equals 6, Y equals 8, H, Z equals 10. That's all for calculation. The conclusion is coffee latte is 6 ringgit, espresso is 8 ringgit and smoothie cream is 10 ringgit. That's all for me. Thank you.
In the conclusion, we hope that you understand what have we teach you in the video. As example, in the problem 1, we can get how to use addition and multiplication by using our own choices. Then for the second question, we can get how to solve the problem from the story question given. And then for the last question, we can link in the inversion method that we learned from matrices in real life situation.